already. Oh, I'm a comment. Relax. Mars is not going anywhere.
Tell them, Ndabe, because there's absolutely no way, guys. Like, you guys actually thought I was leaving ourselves, not Yano Lyrics, my boy. Not Yano Lyrics, dog.
Mars isn't going anywhere. In fact, the Yano Lyrics team is getting bigger, is getting better, and you can be a part of it. That's right. A brand new opportunity is available for you. You could be the newest member of Yano Lyrics.
Amaphapho phansi bafowethu, amaphapho phasi. Untombazana kayindawo, akakazuya ndawo nje. Okunaloko sifuna wena. Ukuthi uzimisela uyazi ukuthi ngempela kupresentwa kanjani, ubuza kanjani imibuzo, unasi isikhathi sokuhamba ama-event, siyacela ukuthi usondele nawe u-apply lapha ucofe la icofa khona ungene nayo ku-competition. Ukunye nokunye sokubona ngendlela. Danko.
Guys, obviously we are out here looking for the best of the best because we have the best of the best. If you notice, we have Ukanyimaz, we have Undabe. Are you next? I want to know. I want someone who is very like me or not like me. Either way, I want you to just be yourself. Because what I like about my presenters is what they offer and what they bring to me so that I turn that talent into a success. I don't know if I'm making sense.
All you have to do to enter the Yano Lyrics presenter search, number one, you have to take a video of yourself interviewing someone else, and then you post it on all your social media, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. Most importantly, you have to tag Yano Lyrics, and then you use our hashtag Yano Lyrics Presenter Search 2026.
We are looking for personality. If you do not have that, it's going to be very difficult. This is a very fast-paced industry. You need to be on your toes, on your feet. You need to be on the ground. You need to be available. You need to be able to understand all the brands that we're working with. So please make sure, if you want to be part of Yano Lyrics, you are able to speak, number one, professionally, because we're going to be sitting in boardrooms with you. Number two, sifuna umuntu okwazi ukuphila ne-team, because we are team players here. La akudlala. Right? You need to bring your A game. Make sure that you understand everything in Zagalayo, all the roles, So being part of Yano Lyrics and being part of the brands Sebenza now, it means that you have to be somebody who understands how the industry is, right? You need to be a culture leader, the music culture leader. Right? You can't be just somebody who is not tapped in, as they would say, my team. You have to be tapped in. You need to know every artist out there. You need to understand all the events that are actually happening. You need to do your research. You need to understand scripts. You need to understand camera work. You need to understand content. So we are not just looking for presenters. This is not some other traditional media channel, unfortunately. Lana, we are chasing algorithms. We are chasing channels. We're chasing opportunities. We are trying to be bigger and better. We're trying to improve every day.
Advice as editor and lyrics must be punctual. Umuntu okwaziyo obuza imibuzo right. Ungabe too controversial, but ube nje nemibuzo right for ama guests ozoba interview. I think that's the only advice anganika yona. Join the competition. Can't wait to edit your videos.
Yeah, so I just want someone who's going to be themselves. And by themselves, I mean, we don't want to be manhandling you to do your job. We don't want to be teaching you how to read scripts. We want natural aura. We want someone who knows what they're doing. We want a go-getter. We want someone who's always on their feet, even when you're wearing heels. We want everything, not everything. If you think you're the best of the best, if you think you can stand next to Ndabe and Kanyimaz, then this opportunity is for you. And Zara phone, boy, Yano Lyrics is calling.